Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of iFresh INC. Now, the first thing you can observe here is obviously the movement. Okay, so here we can see 261% from the second half of 2020, but from the lows of 2020 it's already been 586%. Now, the thing here is, it is not only about the momentum or the rise, but it is also about the kind of volatility the stock is showing. Okay, so you may not see on daily basis, but the stocks have some sharp spikes or swings, and that is very much visible even now. So we need to understand this, and this may impact if you are taking any sort of position in this kind of stock. So the price is going to be a main factor, obviously, because that's what we are looking at. But if there is volatility, then it can play out on both the sides, so you need to keep that into your mind. Now what we need to do here is that the stock is indeed moving, and it hits the higher end of the range. It actually tries to surpasses it, but uh, it didn't. So let me show you. So this level, now as you can see here, what is this one? This is, here we have around 2.88 or 2.9. Now this was a resistance first time, then second time, that here third time a perfect resistance. Then this time it actually went up and went up big, so it went up to $4, but it's a false breakout because it enables to sustain and it again falls back. So in terms of line chart, if you're using line chart, then you will see that this is the range, this is the big range inside which the stock is currently trading. So you have a 0.70 and you have 2.88. Now here we have, so what you can do here is use 1.51 as your stop loss. Why? First, the reason is, if the stock started falling below 1.51, then the fall from the current price till 0.70 will be very big. And second, it can give you a sense if the stock, let's say, is holding above 1.51, but even it is not breaking out above 2.88, but it's holding 1.51, then it is showing the strength that eventually it will break out. So that's why, okay, cutting long thing short, that you have your stop loss at 1.51. You need not to wait for 0.70, but it depends upon how individual things. So 1.51, consider this as your stop loss. Now on the upside, you have 2.88 as your first target, or you can say a resistance as well. So if the stock, let's say, rather than 2.88, you can use 2.9 or $3. So if it breaks out and sustain above 2.9, in that case, the target that we are going to look at will be something like these. So you have your first target here, and second target is something like this. So you have your first target at 4.8, and it can extend up to $9. Okay, so these are the things that we are looking at. So let me tell you again as a summary. So first of all, it's a long-term chart. Second, while looking into the chart, you will see some sort of volatility which is prominent in this particular chart, so one must be aware about this kind of thing. Third, the stock must not fall below 1.51. Fourth, if it sustains above 2.9, and after the breakout, if it sustain and continue to sustain, even if the correction happen, it should not fall below 2.9. Then in that case, we are going to look our first target in the form of 4.8, and it can eventually breaks out and can push the target or levels toward 9.8 on the upper side. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.